In a quiet little town, something magical happened. Something no adult would ever believe. One ordinary morning, dogs began to talk. But there was one strange rule. Only kids could hear them. Why are you making that long face, human?
Who said that?
Me, obviously.
You? You can talk?
No, you can finally listen.
Your friend isn't lying. Also, Kabir, stop eating my biscuits secretly.
What? Even dogs know?
This will be our secret. And my owner forgot my birthday again. I want to be brave, but I'm scared of thunder. Don't worry, we'll help all of you.
This is the best day ever.
You're not weak. Even we get scared sometimes.
I think he said red house, or was it bread house?
I said R-E-D.
Why can't I hear them anymore?
The magic was never about talking.
Then what?
It was about understanding.
Aarav's parents finally allow him to adopt a dog.
I don't need you to talk. I already understand you.